Okay, hello. Let's learn our notes in that note names matching game. And I got all my cards out and I have them all laid out here in the musical alphabet. I'm starting on A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And also I'm trying to show it to you on my piano here where the frog is. Whoops, where my frog is. That's where middle C is. So these are the treble clef notes on here to the right with the right hand, and the left is bass. So let's go over our landmark notes. I am going to pick my landmark notes, and I'm going to start on middle C in the treble clef. It's this one on the ledger line. It's this note, and I'm going to put it right here. Okay. Then we also learned the treble G, which is this note right here on the second line. Remember, this is our G clef. The little swirly is around that second line, and this is your landmark treble G. And that would be here, and that's where we're going to put it, right here on the G, right here, okay? So then I'm going to go right away to the high G right here. So you can see, I'm going to show you that. Here's your treble G on the second line, and this one is right there hanging above right that last fifth line on the top, and that will be that one. That's the high G. It's another landmark. And then let's add two more C's to our treble. Oops, this is wrong. Oops, gotta find that quick. Here's your high C. So that will be this one, and then this one I'm gonna find quick. That will be our treble C, and that's right here. Okay. That is your, well, this is your middle C, treble C, high C. Put it right here. If you can see that down here. Middle C, treble, and high. Let's find the C's on the bass. Oh, no. Let's start first the other landline that we first learned in the bass clef, because bass clef also we call it, if you remember, the F clef. So where's my F? Oh, it's right here. Here's my F. We call that the bass F. So if here's your middle C, the first F you find is your bass F. Bass F. Why F clef? Because that little swirl is swirling around that fourth line, and then these two dots are enclosing that line, and that's where your F is. So that's the landmark you want to remember. So I'm going to put it down here, okay? And then right away, we're going to look at the F that is an octave lower. So here was your low F, and this one here, can you see it? Oh, there we go. That is your low F, okay? And that one looks like this. Now, some kind of a similarity between these two cards and the two treble G cards. I'm going to show it to you. See how this line, this F is, on the fourth line, and then the octave lower F is hanging there, right there on that first line, hanging right below it. If you compare that to the G, it's a little similar, just swapped inside out sort of thing. Here, see, this is the G on the second line from the bottom. Here that F is not the second line, but it's the fourth line, but it's also kind of a similar look to it. And then the octave higher is above that fifth line, compared to the F, which is down here. So you can kind of make a note of these two looks. This is your treble G octave, and this one is your bass F octave, okay? Good. These are all your landmarks. Well, we could add actually now the C's on the bass. Let's find those quick. They're here. This is your low, no, this is your bass C, which is an octave below the treble C. That's this one right here. We're going to put it right here. And, well, this one, see how that is an octave higher? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, which is this one. That's middle C, okay? That's where it is. So I'm going to put it here, which means those two notes, when you see them like this, they're the same notes. This note right there, here only it tells you the left hand is playing it. And on this card, the right hand is playing it. That's the only difference. Okay, cool. Now, you've got it all set up now, and now it's up to you to just fill in the blanks. So you can start here. Because we've got the C, so we have D, E, F, G, then we're going to go here to A and B, and then this one is C, and then we go, so for B, then 1, 2, 3, third line, third space, 1, 2, 3, so that's your C here. Now we're going to go, that's the D, E, F right there. The G we already had. And now we're going to go A. We still have that right here. That's an octave over treble A. So A. We don't have the B. They didn't make a card. Don't ask me why. And then here's your high C. Okay? Let's start here on the... Okay, here. We go here this way. We go, where do we start? You know what? Let's start on the F, and then we go all the way up. We go from F. Yes? Now we go to G. You can't see my fingers right there. I'm just down below here on G. Now go A. That would be the first space. That's down here. A. Then we're going to go second line B. And then bass C, bass D, bass E. Here's your F, the landmark. F. Let's see. Did I do that right? No. Oh my goodness, I did a mistake here. Do you see that? Whoopsie. I was a little too quick. Here's E, F, because that's the G, duh. G, A, this one, A, and then the one above B, and there is your C, and it even goes further. D, that's, now we're in the treble clef, but see how that is the D? You see that? This is hanging above the middle line, the ledger line, and so that is that D. And even here, this is treble E, because here's your ledger line of the middle C, and this is your first line of the treble clef right here. And see how this E is on the first line? That's the same note. E, and then what did we forget? Oh, we forgot this one. This one is, what is it? Remember, middle C's here, one below middle C. So that will be this note, the B, which is right here below that C. So it'll be here, which is there. Yes, that's the same note yet again. Here it is, the bass B, and here's a played, the bass B played by the right hand. There we go. Okay, so I hope this makes a little bit more sense. We'll be playing this game in class, and you can play it at home. Thanks for watching.